Hello, this is Jason with Allstar Chauffeured Services. I just wanted to take a moment and walk you through our mobile app. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Depending on which type of device you have, search Allstar VIP. And once you do that, you'll see the Allstar VIP app with a logo that looks like this. Once you download it, just open, and it'll ask you to register your device. This will be only the first time you use the app on a new phone. So you'll want to go through and enter your information, first name, last name, email address, and password. Now the password is going to be a 4-digit PIN that you create while you're registering. So just enter any 4-digit PIN that you want, and that'll be your password on this device. From there, enter phone number and hit register. To do that, you'll get a pop-up saying an email has been sent to the email address on file. You'll get a verification code from that email and enter it on your device. Once you get that 6-digit PIN, you will hit enter or OK, and it will register to the device. Now, once it does that, it'll open up to a new reservation screen. This is the default screen, but you can go into the menu as well. That's where you'll see the new reservation option, which we're already in, active reservations, past reservation rates, locate my driver, and settings. But let's go back to the new reservation screen. And the first one is passenger. It'll default to your name, but you can change it if you want. And from there, we'll go to pickup time and date. So you'll set the pickup time and date that you want, hit done, and from there to pickup location. Now on the bottom, you'll see the My Locations button. If you hit that, you'll see any saved addresses in your profile, or you can use the address you're at and just hit save in the top right corner. And you go to drop off. If you hit the airport button, it does pop up nearby airports where you can search for it. And then you'll go into airlines, you see, and then the flight number from there. And once you enter that information, you just hit save in the top right, that green button, and it'll save your drop off. Now the next screen is your vehicle screen. So it's going to take a minute to verify the distance and route, and then you can go down to vehicle. You can pick from the vehicle options available, then to payment. And there may be a default in your profile, or you may have to select one. And from there, you just hit the top right button, reserve, and it'll book your reservation. You'll get this pop-up, your reservation successfully booked, with the reservation number. And it'll now be in the active reservation screen. As you can see, just an overview of the trip. So now if we want to go back to the menu, go to locate my driver. You can actually see a location of your chauffeur in comparison to the pickup. You may have to zoom out a little bit to see the exact location, but you can see the location with the blue dot of your chauffeur, and then in relation to the pickup. It also has the chauffeur information and vehicle information at the bottom there, even though this is a test. Now let's go back into the menu and into the active reservations. Now you'll see the overview of the trip with the status of the reservation. In green, you'll see on location. That's just saying the chauffeur is on location, ready for the pickup. Now the default is also to get a text message. So you'll see the text message here and what that looks like. But again, we can change those alerts based on your preferences if that's something you want. Let's go back into the menu on the app. And I will actually sign out just to show you what the screen looks like after you register your device. So you'll just have the email and password. The password is actually the 4-digit passcode that you set. So you do that, sign in, and it'll take you to a new reservation screen again. That's just a quick overview of the Allstar VIP mobile app. Hopefully you can see just an overview of how it works and how it's fairly quickly to book a new reservation for the more simple trips. Anything that has a lot of stops, more detailed instructions, you may want to call our office or look at our online reservations at allstarvip.com. It gives you a few more options as far as entering the addresses with notes, directions, anything special that you want with your trip. But for the quick reservations, the Allstar VIP mobile app is a great option. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, 248-549-8800, or you can email info@allstarvip.com. We hope you enjoyed this short overview, and we look forward to traveling with you soon. Have a great day.